welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hi, my name is Vanessa, and today I'm filming a pack with me because I'm actually leaving for Florida, Orlando on Thursday, March 7th, I think it is, the morning. And yeah, so I need to pack. We are going for 12 days. The weather is definitely going to be hot. I know that, but my mom was saying like the nights get cold, so I need some colder clothes as well. I'm gonna start by packing like my clothes, my shirts, pants, shorts, all that sort of stuff, and then move on to other little extra things. So let's just get packing. Okay, I had to. It makes such a cool noise. Anyways. Hi, my name's Vanessa and I 150% overpack. Legitimately though, so I've kind of pulled out everything that I think I want to bring, and I am there for like 2 weeks, so I do need a decent amount of clothing because like it gets cold at night but it's hot in the day, so like different outfits for like the night and the day, and I'm gonna try and figure out some outfits now and then probably start putting it into my suitcase, I think. Here I have like 2 to 3 t-shirts for every short pair. Basically, I'll probably change it up when I get there, but I have an idea of like what I can wear with what now. So I quickly just wanted to show you guys like my suitcase, what it looks like, how big it is, so you kind of have an idea of how much space for packing, if that makes sense. This is her. She's beautiful. If you can tell or see, there's some like hidden Mickey Mouses on them. I've had this for about 6 years, but I definitely need a new one. It's pretty scratched up, pretty beaten up, but it's done me a good job. It is pretty big if you look at it. So I feel like a lot of people are gonna ask how I folded my clothes so that they fit all in here, and basically start with your t-shirt. I fold the sleeves in, fold it in half, and then just roll it up. And then you got this nice little ball package and you stick it in your suitcase. Also, for this trip, I just created my own packing list on Notes. So I just added anything kind of out of the ordinary that I knew I wanted to bring, that I needed to remind myself to bring. But there's tons on like Pinterest, Google packing lists if you really need something specific to like check off, especially for like shirts, pants, underwear, socks, that sort of thing. Like I don't need to remember to bring those things. It's all the little extra stuff that if I don't write it down and check off that I packed it, I will forget it. The best, most useful thing for packing any sort of toiletries, jewelry, just basically any of your little knickknacks, organizing units. This is my toiletries one, and it's got 2 big kind of sealed pouches and 2 mesh pouches. And then this one is for my jewelry, and it's got 3 big containers and then one that has 3 little ones for like earrings and stuff. For my jewelry, I'm bringing all of my everyday earrings as well as all of my everyday necklaces. There's one in here, there's one in here, and all of these sunglasses. packing jewelry and sort of little things are these little baggies. And so I always use these to put like earrings that don't fit inside that container, any other extra necklaces I might want to bring. Just I use these to further like separate jewelry. This is everything that I think I'm taking for toiletries, and I definitely recommend going to like dollar store or Shoppers Drug Mart or something and getting little bottles to put your conditioner and shampoo in. Otherwise, I love making sure that I have little travel size containers of like shower gel, dry shampoo, hand cream. This is my face cream cleanser. I'm just gonna bring this entire thing because I'm not bothering to put it in a little container, but yeah. I'm also taking 5 scrunchies and 3 just regular elastics. And then I'm also throwing in a bunch of these clear little baby elastics in case I decide I want to do anything with my hair one day. And a great little organization hack for bobby pins is to put them on just one of your regular elastics, and like they're not going to go anywhere, so they're all nice and neat and in one spot. The last thing that I'm going to be packing with you guys today is my backpack. This is going to have everything that I'll actually have with me while we're driving, as well as this is the bag that I'm going to be using wherever we're going. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I pack my backpack. If I was going on a plane, this would also be like my carry-on. So in my backpack is where I'm going to be putting all of my electronics. The camera that I'm filming on right now, I will be bringing because I don't have like a vlog camera. I just put my camera in this little kind of travel size DSLR bag. It's nice because it's super small and compact. That will be going in, as well as of course my camera's battery charger because duh, I'm going to need this. I'm also going to be taking my laptop, so I put that in its case. Additionally, with my laptop, I'm bringing my external hard drive because my laptop is always full, so if I need to export anything, like I actually need this to even be able to export it. I'm also bringing my laptop charger, of course, and honestly, I'm kind of just really bad at wrapping it, but I just wrap it around the actual charger and it kind of just stays nice and compact, just like that. I'm also bringing a pair of just sorry, do these look cordless to you? I'm also bringing with me 2 books because it is like a 20-hour drive there and back. So like 1 book there, 1 book back. I will also have my glasses as well as a pair of sunglasses. And last but certainly not least, a little wallet. So this has any gift cards or money that I am bringing with me. It's just nice to not bring my actual full wallet. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this pack with me. I know it wasn't super thorough and like I didn't pack everything. It's just because I still have 3 days till I leave and there's a lot of things that either are like being cleaned or I literally can't pack right now because I'm still using them or I still need them. But I still hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you kind of found this useful. You liked the tips, and I guess I will see you guys in Florida. I love you so much. Mwah. Bye.
Where's my